So uKarl Marx urelaxile yabo ubheke le system uyabona ukuthi no man le system le ayikho grand yangithola. So Karl Marx is the founding father of communism. Communism is a political and an economic system which believes in a classless society. Under a communist system, the means of production are owned by the people but managed by the state. Yangithola. Kusho ukuthi wonke ama-mines in a country belong to the people but the state manages lawo ma-mines yabo. Noma yiphi itaxi ozoyigibela is owned by the people mara is managed by the state yabo. Noma Capitec, FNB, wonke ama-banks are owned by the state, are owned by the people but managed by the state. Even in telecommunications, the MTN, Vodacom, Airtel, they are all owned by the people and managed by the state. They are not owned by private entities. So the reason Karl Marx the capitalistic system emkhalisa is because of three reasons I've seen, which is the exploitation of labor, the commodification of labor, and how social institutions perpetuate inequalities. So Karl Marx uyabona ukuthi no man, labor is exploited under this capitalistic system. So how is labor exploited under the capitalistic system? So Karl Marx sathi under the capitalistic system there are only two classes, which is the ruling class and the working class. The proletariat, the working class, and the ruling class, ama-bourgeoisies. So the proletariat produce value, you understand? But they are paid less than the value produced. Kusho if like in certain factories, one employee can produce 5 vehicles in one day, you understand? And each of those vehicles is each worth 100,000, understand? So this employee produces a labor value of 500,000 in one day. However, month end, lo muntu loyo uhola maybe 20,000 or 30,000, which is exploitation, understand? But the value produced is not equivalent to the financial value gained by lo muntu lo or producer lawo ma-goods, understand, through their labor. Then the second reason of labor exploitation is ukuthi the people who produce lama goods langa cannot, more often than not, cannot afford lawo ma-goods lawo, you understand? To the example of this person working in a factory. If lo muntu lo works in a factory and they will produce a value of 500,000 a day, ngapha uhola boma 20,000 and imoto eyi-1 is equivalent to 100,000. Usho lo muntu lo like lama goods langa ahlezi awaproducer akakwazi ukuwa-consumer yena, like has no control over lama goods langa, akakwazi like this person cannot keep or control the value of their labor, you understand? Which is exploitation. So enye into emkhalisayo Marx is the commodification of labor. What is to commodify something? To commodify something ukwenza into ithengiseke, you understand? To commodify something is to make something have financial value, ithengiseke. So these people have made labor a commodity. So the issue of commodification, with these people have commodified everything, even human labor, you understand? And they've made labor a commodity, separating an individual from their labor, you understand? And in that process of separating like an individual from their labor is dehumanization. It's dehumanizing ukuthi you become less of uschaba and more of an employee, because the only value you have or the only value you produce in society is your labor, you understand? Which is dehumanizing. Then how social institutions perpetuate and maintain inequality. Strong Marx. So social institutions are institutions which allow people to socialize, you understand? Like njengesikolo la uhlala khona nabantu nje, uhlale nabantu, ucommunicate nabantu, those are social institutions, isikolo, emsebenzini, esontweni, yangithola, like esibhedlela, ema-police stations, even even indaba, i-TV nje, social media, angizwani, social institutions. So uKarl Marx athi these social institutions assist in perpetuating and maintaining ama-social inequalities, yabo. For example, like uthi usakhula usasemncane uyajwayela ukuthi maybe if you're from a strong patriarchal family, yabo, uyajwayela ukuthi ubabakho tells you and your mom what to do, yabo. Then moya esikolweni uyajwayela ukuthi uthisha wakho uyakutshela ukuthi uyenzeni, uyajwayela ukuthi ngobani isikhathi uye breakini, uhlala kanjani eklasini, you understand? Like noma usesontweni like uyajwayela ukuthi umfundisi uhlezi anitshela ukuthi hey okay siyahlala manje siyacula manje, like you become used to people or a person managing you, you understand? Uyajwayela abantu bakutshela ukuthi uyenzeni, you become used to being told what to do, and then obviously it perpetuates inequality because so in being told what to do, you're also told what to believe, yangithola. And you must understand ukuthi i-patriarchy benefits i-capitalism, yabo. Ngokuthi if one of your workers, or if you're a capitalist and your worker is working, your worker shouldn't be thinking about ezinye izinto but his work, you understand? Hence ukuthi when men like in the factories and they are working, it is beneficial for them to not think about what's going on emakhaya, because emakhaya they have left wives abakhulisa abantwana and taking care of everything, you understand? Which where a part of unpaid labor comes to, yabo, because without the labor without abantu laba abahlala endlini abakhulisa abantwana, labantu laba about working in factories producing lamaguzlanka cannot really produce lamaguzlanka to the capacity they should be producing them now, yabo, if they were dependent only on themselves, yabo. So capitalism benefits from the division of labor in a patriarchal way, you understand? So yeah, yizo-ke izinto ezimkhalisayo leyo uMarx, yangithola, exploitation of labor, the commodification of labor, and how social institutions perpetuate inequality and maintain inequality, yangithola. So wena, what do you think about uMarx? Do you agree with uMarx? Do you disagree with uMarx? Do you believe that you should be a capitalistic system in Mzansi?